Hi, this is Matthew. Welcome to Paper Trading with Matthew. Today we will be discussing about Nifty Expiry, that is tomorrow. So today, if you look at the Nifty's chart, and if you look at 1 day's time frame, and I've used a Bollinger Band and MACD, moving average, convergence, and divergence. Nifty is at the top of the Bollinger Band. Whenever any indices reaches the top of the band, chances are high, chances are there, not 100%, but chances are high, like more than 80%, it will fall down. I mean, if you look at any of the days, whenever it touches the top of the band, chances are there that it at least comes to this middle line, the red line, or comes down and touches the bottom of the band, depending on the rally towards the upside or the downside. But if I look at MACD is showing a good strength. Look at the blue line crossing the red line. That shows that market is on an upward trend and there is a gap. If it was near, then I would have thought, okay, fine. But it has a gap that shows there is a good trend on the upside. So I want to reconfirm because Bollinger Band is showing that, okay, the Nifty is at the upper end of the band. The chance of falling is high. And even MACD is giving me a reverse indication that rally is too high. I mean, it's good. That's the reason I plotted even RSI. So RSI is not crossed 70%, it's at approximately 63, which is fair enough. So we can say that you could have a little more on the upside, or it could be tomorrow could be a sideways market. If you look at the trend from here, so it's 14th August, the trend is on the upward trend, right? Keep on moving up. Even though candles are not showing any strength, but if you look at, see, this is going up. Candles are forming small candle, barring this big one, but very small candle. Going up, nevertheless. But we have to be a little cautious because we are at the top of the band. We can see a sudden fall any point of time. Keep an eye on the MACD, this curve. If the red crosses the blue, signs for selling. Whenever I've shown you in the last video too, you check and whenever it happens, see here down, and the blue crosses the red. From here on, rally started, right? So let's go to your 1 hour time frame, and I've plotted it already so that we save some time. If you look at FinNifty's resistance, we have a very good resistance at 24,045. We have a small resistance at around 23,830, and we have a little bit safer, what do you call, a support at 23,591, approximately 600. So if at all tomorrow there's a gap down and comes close to this support, you can always try for a upward, like you can buy a call. But if it breaches this put and gap down, wait for the candle to retrace. Let me show you. You have to wait for the candle to retrace. Let it come here from down, let it touch here, and after that, after the retracement, if it starts coming down, then you can go for the put put side. Otherwise, if it's somewhere here and you play for downside, chances are there that it may go up. And when you start feeling that, okay, it may cross this support, which becomes a resistance by the time, because it may come down again. So that's how a lot of retailers fall prey into this. We have to always wait for the retracement. If it comes below the support, it becomes a resistance. Let the market come and touch the resistance, and you wait. If you see a very good bearish candle, that's a retracement. You can take a put call or shorter call. All right, that is with FinNifty. And looking at the movement, if you have looked every 9:45, 10 o'clock, there's a good, uh, you know, a big candle you can see, and also approximately at 2 o'clock you can see a pretty big candle. Even today in BankX we have seen that a huge candle coming up exactly approximately at I think 2 o'clock. Mostly it is happening at 2 o'clock. Let me see if I can plot to show you that happening. All right, let me change uh, to a 5 minutes time frame. Look at this every day. I mean 225. Look at this. Exactly at 2 o'clock, there is how many points? From 58,346 went up to one single candle, 562, 346 to 560, approximately 200 and plus points in one candle. In one candle. Okay, this is happening. So we have to be more vigilant with regards to indices whenever we are doing option trading. So you have to identify what time the spike comes and play accordingly. If you look at the put and call side of the prices of FinNifty. Okay, let's go with the current price, 23,700. Okay, so 23,700, 23,700, and 23,700 put. All right, this is how it is. Well, let's change into a 5 minutes time frame for both of the stuff. Okay, so that we get clear indication on both on a 5 minutes time frame. So this is a 5 minutes time frame which I have taken. Okay, let's hide the Bollinger Band for time being. Let's show you the premium. All right, the premium for same strike price for call and for put at 23,700. The put is at 54 and there's a 68. There's no much difference. All right, always ensure if there is a huge difference. For example, this is the 50 and this is like 150, and call is 150 and put is like 50. High chances that they'll bring the market down to eat the premium of the call. Okay, so that you should always buy a put or short a call if the premiums are the variance in the premiums is too high. For example, 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3, 95% it happens. Here the variance is not much. For example, if it would have been like 54 or 55 plus 110 for a call, the difference is like 1 is to 2. Definitely you have to wait, look for any confirmation candle and play for the downside. And if you look at the MACD, it shows a negative here, but here for a put side it shows positive. This is another indication which will guide you which strike price for you have to choose. Another strategy which you can use, it always go with a 1 hour. 1 hour, go with a 1 hour and draw a support line. And this support line breaches, that means that put or call is for no use. And every 1 hour you can keep drawing the support line like this. And if it goes beyond below this support line, I would say this call doesn't make any sense beyond below 55, and this put below 46 doesn't make any sense. Only and again after 1 hour you can plot uh, a 1 hour support like this, then decide which side you have to go. Right now I would see a strength in MACD in put side rather than call side. All right, and that's how you have to play. If you have any questions, please post it on my comment. Keep liking, keep subscribing, and keep sharing my channel with your friends and family members. Till then, have a great time. Bye bye for now. Thank you very much.